Hey guys, it has been a while since I filmed a normal makeup video. I am really sorry that I cut my 31 days of Halloween short. I got to the point where I was playing catch up with myself pretty much, and it was getting really hard, and also I just felt like it took the fun out of it kind of, and I just felt like I was doing the looks just to get them done, not because I wanted to, not to make the looks look good, if you know what I mean. I didn't want that, I really didn't want that, so I think, 18 looks, I'm good, I'm happy with that. And next year I will be more prepared. But yeah, I feel like, there's no shame in admitting when, you've had enough or you've done enough kind of thing. And yeah, so I'm really sorry to whoever I let down with that. I do feel like a bit of a flake, but at the same time I feel like, it was really important for me to stop, I guess. And yeah, so I'm back with some normal makeup looks now. And yeah, I can finally get onto the videos that I've been meaning to do for ages. I'm gonna be more prepared for Christmas so that I can deliver with my Christmas videos. But yeah, anyway, I have some new Morphe 2 products to try out. They're honestly not new anymore because they came out so long ago. But I have the Brow Crush Tinted Brow Gel. We have the lip scrub. I have a couple of their Happy Glaze lip glosses. I've got the lip balm, their Gleam Catcher illuminators, and yeah, I'm gonna do like pretty much a full face of Morphe 2 kind of thing. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the Brow Crush Tinted Brow Gel. It says, things are shaping up, getting the right frame of mind with this lightweight gel that feels, grooms and shapes those beautiful brows of yours. And so this one is in the shade medium brown. This is the packaging here. I think it's really cute. I do really like it, and it's got the shade on the bottom. So yeah, today's obviously going to be quite a natural look. I do really like the size of this. I feel like that's a really nice size applicator. So let's go. So I'm just going to do this kind of how I would do my brows normally. I will do more in the back and then be a bit more sparse with it in the front. Okay. I really like that colour. I feel like it's a really nice colour. Feels like quite a nice formula. I feel like it just makes my brows look just like a little bit more groomed and like a little bit neater. I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer around the edge just to clean them up a tiny bit. I don't want to sculpt them out or anything, but I did just make a little bit of a mess, so I'll just take like a tiny bit. Oh, okay, I guess we are sculpting them. It honestly wasn't meant to be like that, but anyway. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Morphe Skin Tint. Mine is in the shade Hint of Beige. I honestly don't even remember what else is in Morphe 2. I need to like have a look and make sure I've got everything. Okay, cool. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to take a little bit of my Morphe Skin Tint and just put that on my eyes. I won't do any like too much eyeshadow or anything today, so I just need this as like my base. Alright, and then I'm just going to set that with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in Butter. I'll be really interested to see kind of like how far they take this line. Like if they'll do like limited edition collections, or if it'll just kind of be like a basics line, or yeah, I'll be interested. Okay, anyway. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the one of the Jelly Eye Shimmers. This one is in the shade Bright Idea. It's like this beautiful pink shade, and I'm just going to put that like kind of on the inner corner, I guess. Just for like a little bit of something. I feel like that should be enough. I don't think I want anything more than that, just like a little tiny bit. And then I will grab some mascara. I do need to actually try out the new Morphe mascara. I haven't ordered it yet, but I will soon. I'm just going to take the BH Cosmetics Stellar Lash and just do my mascara. Okay. So before we get on to foundation, I'm just going to try the lip scrub first. So this is their Prep Polish Lip Scrub, and it says Swipe Scrub Smooth, packed with shea butter, coconut oil and jojoba oil. This lightweight formula exfoliates, conditions and smooths things over. And this one is in the shade Sweet Lips, but I'm pretty sure they only have the one shade. Don't quote me on that, but I feel like they do. Yeah, they've only got the one shade. Anyway, so it looks like this. It smells really nice. The packaging once again is really cute. It kind of reminds me a lot of my Glow Recipe one. Like, I feel like they're quite similar, don't you think? Like with the kind of sheer see-through glass, but anyway, well, not glass, plastic. Anyway, so yeah, let's try this. It feels very nice. It feels very similar to all my other like lip scrubs that are like this. I have a Fenty one and that Glow Recipe one that I just showed you. But yeah, it feels really nice, really hydrating. I like it. Okay, let's prime. So I'm going to take the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Primer. I don't have a Morphe primer, and Morphe too don't make one, so just taking another one for now. Whoops, I put way too much of this on. Oh my god, I didn't realise it was so like liquidy. I've used this before, but I don't remember it being like this. I'm gonna have to like take some of it off because there's way too much on my face. Nothing is gonna sit on top of that. I wonder if I can like press it in with my sponge. I think I've just put old foundation on my face. I honestly don't know what to do. I feel like I might have to like dab some off. That primer feels so nice though. I feel like it makes my skin like glow. Okay, that should be okay now. Alright, let's put the skin tint on. So I have tried this before. I did do a video testing out like all the first releases that came out. So that would be up on my channel somewhere, but yeah. Okay, once again this is in hint of beige, I think. I do quite like this as well. It's definitely not full coverage, but it's not claiming to be, you know? So it's one of those ones that's obviously for a light look or a, you know, everyday kind of look. It's so liquidy, guys. It's like water. I just think it sits on the skin. It's so pretty though. Like, it's just a really, really nice formula. I feel like a lot of people trashed on Morphe too, and I'm not gonna lie, I was one of those people at the start because I thought it was another crash, like just a cash grab kind of thing. But I was actually really impressed with the first lot of launches. Like, I thought they did a really good job. So I quickly took back my thoughts, and yeah, I do really like what I've tried out from them so far. But yeah, this is how the skin tint looks. I just feel like it's so pretty and so fresh and just a really, really nice formula. This is something that I'd probably like wear to work, or if I was just quickly going shopping, or, you know, something like that. For concealer today, I'm just going to take the Colourpop Pretty Fresh. This one is in the shade Fair 10N. Alright, and then I'm gonna set my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder. The rest of the product, I have like a cream blush and a cream highlight, but the thing is my bronzer is powder, so I kind of need to set. From memory though, I think they might have gone okay over set skin, hopefully. Okay. So, this is how my skin is looking at the moment. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer. Mine is in the shade Sweet Tea. So this is how it looks here. It's such a cute packaging, and then that's the actual bronzer. I feel like this one's quite a nice natural one because it does have like a bit of shimmer through it. So that's what I want for today. Okay, so next is the Wonder Tint, I think it's called. Oh, yeah, this is the Wonder Tint Cheek and Lip Mousse, but I use mine for the cheek, and this one is in the shade Dream. It's such a beautiful like peach color. So yeah, what I usually do, so I'll grab like the butt or like the point of the sponge and like dip it in. And then I'll like blend it in with the sponge first, and then when I feel like it's on there enough, I'll take my blush brush and just do it how I normally would. So yeah, when it's to like this point, I'll take my blush brush and just brush it in. And I feel like it's such a beautiful, like just really natural formula. It just really like blends with the skin, really nice. Okay. Now to try out the Gleam Catcher Illuminators. So I have two shades here. I have one called Moonbeam and one called First Light. So I'll swatch them both for you. They look really stunning in the packaging. So this one here is called First Light, and it's like a pinky, I don't even know. It's just so pretty. But that's First Light there. So yeah, it's very pinky and like, I don't know, just really pretty. And then yeah, we have the next one, which is called Moonbeam. This one's kind of like a more champagne-y colour, but it still has like the pinky like in it as well. So you can see like the difference in shades there. That. And that's how they look compared to each other in the bottle. I think I might take Moonbeam for today. So I might take this on my sponge as well. I'm just gonna put like a few little spots on there. Press it in. That's quite pretty. I feel like it gives like a very kind of like subtle sheen. Like it's much more of like a glow than a highlight, I feel like. Yeah, I really like that. It looks very natural and like just like your natural kind of hydration coming through. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. It's super, super natural, but I don't mind because like, you know, obviously this is a more natural line, so I'm not mad. Blends in with the skin really, really nicely as well, even over the powder, so that's a really good sign. It's not taking off any of my foundation or making it go weird or anything. I'm gonna put a little bit like where I highlight my other places as well and see how that goes. Okay, it did not go well on the rest of the face. I feel like it did kind of take off my makeup like on my nose and stuff. I don't know why, that's so weird. On my cheeks it didn't. It went really pretty. Anyway. Okay, that's how we're looking at the moment. Okay, so the last thing to try out is just the lip balm and then the lip glosses. So I'm just gonna put some more mascara on, just on my bottom lashes. And then I'm gonna take some of the Morphe Luminous setting spray. Just so no one's confused, I have the Morphe one, but I had to decant it into my Ofra like little bottle because the pump of this didn't work. So yeah, it's like broken. So yeah, it's the Morphe spray, but it's in this bottle. So the lip balm is in the shade Coral Kisses. I think they did have a few shades of this. Yes, they do. They have 4 shades. So they have like a pink, orange, like a deep berry, and then like a red kind of shade. But yeah, I got Coral Kisses, which is like the orange one. So we'll try this out first. So that's how that looks. It's just like a really like kind of sheer tint. It's really nice though, and it feels really nice on the lips. I use their, what's the other one they have? The Extra Glaze, is it? No, I think that's the shade I have. What's their other gloss called? It was the one they brought out like the first time. The Glassified Lip Oils. I use those every time I'm at work. I sit at my desk with me. I'm a receptionist, so my lips get really dry and stuff. So yeah, I sit down at my desk. I think I'm like halfway through that one, so I do really like that. Alright, let's take this off and try one of the Extra Glaze, is that what they're called? No, the Happy Glaze. Yeah. So I'll just take them off. So I have 2 shades of these. I have Lucky Me and All Smiles, and these are like honestly some of the prettiest lip glosses I've ever seen, if I'm being honest. Oh my god, they're so stunning. I feel like they should make these shades but in like liquid eyeshadows. You guys are about to be like blown away. So this is them. They're like, you cannot tell me that these are not the most stunning lip glosses. I love them. So this one is All Smiles, and then the other one is called Lucky Me. So I'll just swatch them on my hand first to show you. So that's Lucky Me there. It's like gold and it's got like little pink flecks through it. And then the other one is called All Smiles, and this is such a gorgeous colour, honestly. It's like pink. It's like a pinky coral with like gold and pink through it. Like it's just, they're both stunning. I think I'll try this one today because this is more of a unique shade, I feel like. Ooh, it smells really nice. I can't tell what it is. It's like really subtle, but it smells nice. Okay, so this is All Smiles. I love it. I actually think this is so pretty. It doesn't feel uncomfortable yet either, so that's promising. You know how sometimes you first put your lip gloss on and it feels like immediately sticky? I don't feel that with this. I feel like it just feels very comfortable. I can't really tell that I'm wearing it. I actually really like these. I feel like this is probably my favorite thing I tried today. But I do really like the highlighter as well. So I don't know. No, I'm so impressed. Okay, so this wraps up the final look. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hate to say it. No, I don't hate to say it. I feel like people are gonna be like, that's not true. But I just think everything is really high quality. I don't know. I feel like they've done a really good job with this line. I had my doubts, like I was going into my very first time trying Morphe 2 thinking this was going to be so awful, and I was really pleasantly surprised. And even this time I was a little bit iffy. I had like higher standards because I liked the stuff the first time, but I was like, oh, maybe their second launch will be a bit dodgy, but no. I really like it. I've got to give it to Morphe. These are really, really good products, and they seem to have really high reviews on the website. Like everything has 4 or more stars, which is a really good sign. I feel like, you know, reviews speak for themselves. Even if you guys don't trust me, which would make me sad, but that's okay. Yeah, even if you guys don't trust me, you can go on the website and read the reviews for yourself. Yeah, no, I'm really pleasantly surprised. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!